In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook ads for your business. Let's dive into the world of Facebook advertising, a potent tool for broadening your business's reach and tapping into targeted audiences like never before. Setting up your Facebook ads is a straightforward process, beginning by navigating to the Facebook Business Manager. This is your advertising command center, offering you a comprehensive suite of tools crafted to cater to the needs of businesses big and small. First things first, you'll need to log in using your Facebook credentials. This step is crucial as it bridges your personal Facebook account to the business functionalities of the platform, ensuring a seamless integration of services. Once logged in, it's time to pick the account you wish to use for your advertising endeavors. Choosing the right account is pivotal. It dictates the assets and pages you'll have access to while setting up and managing your campaigns. Next, let's move to the heart of our mission, creating and managing your ads. On the lower left panel of your screen, you'll see an option labeled Ads. Clicking here will lead you to the Ads Manager. It's worth noting that you can also directly access the Ads Manager by typing adsmanager.facebook.com into your browser. This shortcut can save you a step and streamline your workflow. Once in the Ads Manager, your next move is to go to the Campaign section. This area is where the magic begins, allowing you to orchestrate and overview all your advertising campaigns. If it's your first time or you're starting a new campaign, click on the Create button. This pivotal step is where your campaign begins to take shape, beginning with something as simple yet crucial as naming your campaign. A descriptive, memorable name not only helps with organization, but also sets the stage for the advertising journey you're about to embark on. Proceeding from naming, it's time to delve into the specifics of your ad set, or if necessary, create a new one. Ad sets are where you'll define the core aspects of your campaign, such as your target audience, budget and placement. These settings are instrumental in determining how effectively your ads reach your intended audience. Once you have your ad set parameters locked in, click on Continue to move forward. This progression takes you closer to the essence of your campaign, the ads themselves. Adding more details to your ads involves choosing images, crafting compelling ad copy, and linking to the destination you want your audience to land on, be it your website, a product page, or a custom landing page designed specifically for this campaign. After you've meticulously added all the necessary details to your ads, scrutinizing each aspect to ensure alignment with your campaign goals, it's time for the final step, publishing. Clicking on Publish sends your ad into the review process, after which, upon approval, it will begin to be shown to your target audience according to the settings you chose. Throughout this process, remember that the key to a successful Facebook ad campaign lies in clarity, consistency, and continuous optimization based on performance data. Reviewing the performance of your ads regularly, making adjustments, and testing different strategies are all part of the journey towards achieving your business goals through Facebook advertising. In conclusion, leveraging Facebook ads for your business can open up a plethora of opportunities. By following these steps, you embark on a path that leads to increased visibility, engagement, and ideally, a significant boost in conversions. Keep experimenting, learning, and adapting because the digital advertising landscape is always evolving, and staying ahead means staying informed and agile. So give it a go. Set up your first campaign today and watch as the powerful tools of Facebook Ads Manager transform your business's digital marketing efforts. Remember, every great campaign starts with a single step. Today's the perfect day to take yours.